How to BUI $PURR, Purr the Cat Token crypto coin. How to buy the PURR token, per a step-by-step guide. Disclaimer: this content is intended for educational purposes only. I am not a professional financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Please conduct thorough research and consult a financial expert before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency investments come with risks, and it is important to understand those risks before proceeding. In this guide, I will walk you through the general process of how to buy the PURR token, PURR, which is currently gaining attention on the blockchain. Please remember that this content is for informational purposes only and does not encourage or promote any specific investments. It is important to do your own research and stay updated on the latest project developments before making any decisions. Step 1. Stay updated on the token's progress. Before considering any token purchase, make sure to follow updates on the project. Many cryptocurrency projects are actively sharing news on their official platforms, such as Telegram or Twitter accounts. It's essential to keep track of any important announcements or changes to ensure you are fully informed about the project's development. Step 2. Check the token's performance. The PURR token, PURR, has been trending recently. In fact, it has shown significant growth in a short amount of time, e.g., a 250% increase within 24 hours. Before buying, it's useful to check the token's performance on cryptocurrency screeners. You can find it ranked under Solana network and see its current market trends. It's important to assess the liquidity and overall market behavior of the token, ensuring it aligns with your goals. Step 3. Add the token to your wallet. To buy the PURR token, you'll first need to add the token to your wallet. Copy the token address. You'll find the official token address, often available on the screener or the official website. Open your wallet. Use a compatible wallet, e.g., MetaMask, Sollet, that supports tokens on the Solana network. Add the token. Go to your wallet and choose the option to Add Token. Paste the token address to successfully add it to your wallet. Step 4. Swap your cryptocurrency for PURR token. Once the token is added to your wallet, you are ready to swap for the PURR token. Here's how to do it. Select the cryptocurrency to swap from. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to use for the swap, such as Solana, SOL, or another supported token. Enter the amount, decide how much you want to purchase, and make sure you have enough funds to complete the transaction. Check the token details. Before proceeding, make sure to review the token details, such as the amount you'll receive and the network fees. Select the provider. Choose the appropriate provider, e.g., Trayer or other platforms that support the token. Read the terms and ensure everything is set up correctly. Step 5. Complete the transaction. Once you've reviewed the details, click on Swap. This will initiate the transaction. If you encounter any issues, such as an error with the slippage settings, you can adjust the slippage tolerance under the settings to resolve the problem. Adjusting this can help avoid transaction errors. Conclusion: that's the basic process for buying the PURR token, PURR. It's important to stay informed about the token's performance and always do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, and it's crucial to understand the risks before proceeding. Final reminder: this content is for educational purposes only and does not serve as financial advice. Make sure to do your own research and consult a professional financial advisor if needed. Investing in cryptocurrencies involves risks, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose.